Welcome back everyone. Today we will unbox the JBL Killer, a huge Bluetooth speaker with a 12-inch woofer, Livestar SB12. It costs about 160 euros. Let's take it out of the box. It seems quite heavy. It weighs about 15 kilograms and it's huge. It has several inputs: Bluetooth, line in, microphone in, FM radio, card reader and the USB flash drive capabilities. It's so huge, you have to use the included handle that is attached to the back of it. The handle can be extended and you can roll it on the street like an airport baggage. It has two wheels to help to move it. Also, it comes with accessories, a wireless microphone, charger that can charge the speaker so it can be used more than 20 hours on a single charge, and a remote control. Let's turn it on. That's it for the unboxing video. Like and subscribe to see a full review and a sound test. See you in the next video. Good luck everyone.